In the heart of California's fertile valley, in the late 1950s, a new era was about to dawn. Amidst the orchards and vineyards, engineers, scientists, and dreamers were laying the foundation for a technological revolution that would reshape the world. The region, then known as the Santa Clara Valley, was home to renowned institutions like Stanford University and Lockheed Martin, breeding grounds for innovation and intellectual curiosity. Yet, it was the convergence of visionaries, ideas, and opportunity that would birth Silicon Valley. In 1955, William Shockley, a Nobel laureate, founded Shockley Semiconductor Laboratory. However, disagreements within the company led to a mass exodus of 8 engineers, who sought to create their own semiconductor company. These 8 men, later known as the Traitorous Eight, founded Fairchild Semiconductor in 1957. They were Gordon Moore, Robert Noyce, and Julius Blank, among others, who would later co-found Intel, the world's largest and highest valued semiconductor chip manufacturer. Fairchild Semiconductor became a breeding ground for innovation. Its engineers developed the integrated circuit, a miniaturized electronic circuit etched onto a single silicon chip, a breakthrough that would pave the way for the digital revolution. In 1968, Intel, founded by Moore and Noyce, introduced the first commercial microprocessor, the 4004. This small, yet powerful chip laid the groundwork for the personal computer, the Internet, and the digital age. The digital revolution in Silicon Valley was not just a technological shift, but a cultural one as well. The region became synonymous with risk-taking, innovation, and an ethos that encouraged entrepreneurs to dream big and disrupt established industries. As the 1970s rolled in, Silicon Valley's influence grew. Companies like Apple, Google, and Cisco Systems were born, each contributing to the digital revolution in their unique ways. The valley, once known for its orchards, was now renowned as the cradle of the world's technology industry. The digital revolution in Silicon Valley was a testament to human ingenuity, a story of visionaries who dared to dream, who dared to innovate, and who dared to change the world. It was a story of a region, a time, and a spirit that would forever redefine the course of human history.